Hello student, on the last class we already discussed the chapter 1, the fundamental of the computer, and now today class we are going to discuss the chapter 2, memory and the storage device. So before we start this class, we first you discuss what is the memory and what is the storage device in all, because this chapter 2 the all the questions are belong from the memory and the storage device. In this chapter there are total 25 questions are there. Okay, so first, what is the memory? Memory is the space where the data and information is stored. This is called the memory. Okay, in your previous classes, you people, all of you learned what is the memory and the types of memory. There are two types of memory, right? So again, I am repeating to myself, what is the memory? Memory is the space, or memory is the location where all the file or folder is permanently stored. File or folder means the whatever your information or raw materials. This is stored in a particular space. This is called the memory. Okay, and the memory is identified with the bit or byte like this. Okay, you all of you know 1024 byte or kilobyte, megabyte, terabyte. These are all the capacity where the when you store your file and file and all. Okay, these are the measurement like the kilo, kg, gram, like this. Okay, so similarly, in the case of the computer memory, it is store the file or folder information or raw materials. Okay, the smallest unit of the computer memory is the bit is the smallest unit. Bit is the smallest unit. Okay, next is the storage device, and one important thing, the memories are there are the two types of memory, right? There are two types of memory, the primary memory and the secondary memory. Like this is also called the internal and external memory. And the storage device like the hard disk, pen drive, CD, DVD, these all are the storage device where your file or folder is permanently stored. This is called the storage device. So let's start the today's questions. There are the 25 questions are there. So we are going to discuss one by one all the questions. Okay, the first is the question you see, it is visible on your computer screen. The first one is which of the following? See, the which of the following is not a DVD format. DVD, you know, the DVD is the one type of storage device. The full form of the DVD is the digital virtual discs. It is the one type of storage device. It is help to store your information, okay, files in all. So here is there are the four options are there, DVD, WR, okay, and the next is the DVD, RW, okay, DVD, and see the plus or minus sign is there, RW, and DVD, RAM, RAM. So you see here is the correct answer is which is not a DVD format. The first option is the not a DVD format, DVD, WR. Okay, the answer is the number A. Number is the correct answer. After this, the second question is a computer or a computer user cannot save the information in dash. Okay, a computer or a computer user cannot save the information in dash. Means the DRAM, RAM, ROM, SRAM. These are the options are there. Now see, the correct answer is the a computer user cannot save the information. The correct answer is the ROM, ROM. ROM is the correct answer. Read only memory, right? And the next one is the third number question. Which of the following is a type of computer memory module? Okay, so which of the following is a type of computer memory module? You see the third number answer. You see the computer memory modules is the DIMM, SOMM, SIDIMM, and SDMM. So here is the not a types of computer memory is the SOM. Okay. Next is the which of the following is the type of RAM that the return its the information when the power is turned off. Okay, power is turned off. The correct answer is number C, NVRAM RAM. Next, the five number question: which of the following card familiar comes under the SD format? SD, you know, SD is a one type of device to store the information. So which is the familiar under the SD format? See, this is the five number question. See, the correct answer is the all of these. All of the comes in the format of the SD format. Okay. Next, 6 number question. Find the odd one out. Find the one odd. So you see here the DDRM. This is the type of RAM. DDR-SD RAM. Okay, this is also types of RAM. DDR4 SD RAM. But here is the odd one is the EPRAM. So the correct answer is the number 6 is the correct answer is the D, because the all of the types of RAM, these are the DDR2, DDR or DDR4, these are the categories of the RAM, but the number D is the not is the category, this is the types of RAM. So the fourth one is the odd one, number D. Next is the 7 number, 50 GB is equal to dash MB. 50 GB is equal to dash MB. The 50 GB is dash MB. It is the correct answer is the C. Okay, this is the correct answer, number C. Next, number 8 number question, you see which of the following is not a type of ROM. Which is not a type of ROM? See the 8 number answer. EEPROM. EEPROM means the electrical erasable programming. Okay, electrical erasable programmable. Okay, read only memory. The correct answer is the A. Next is the which of the following statement is the hold the true about the SD card. Okay, statement 1, it is a non-volatile memory card used to the portable device such as the tablet, computer, mobile phones, sticker. Second one is the SD, stand for the secret secure digital. Okay, now yes, both is the statement is the correct, so number C is the correct answer. Both statement 1 and statement 2 is the correct one. The next one is the number D, number 10 number question. In an XD picture card for the computer, what does XD stand for? Okay, so see the here the options are there: extra digital, streamy digital, extra compact digital, or explode digital. Okay, there are four options are there. The correct answer is the streamy digital. Now you see the 11th number question. Which type of memory module oftenly used in the system that have the limited space, such as a notebook? 11th number question. You see the 11th number is the correct answer is the GIMM. Right? 11th number is the correct answer. Next you come to the 12th number question. Okay. So you see the 12th number question. DAS is a type of non-volatile memory used for the computer to store the data and allowing the individual byte to erase and reprogrammed. Okay, here is the question is DAS is a type of non-volatile. You know the in a computer there are the two types of memory. One is the volatile and one is a non-volatile. You all of you learned in your previous classes different between the RAM and ROM, right? So here is a one is a volatile and one is a non-volatile memory. Non-volatile means that it is the permanent memory. Okay, and the volatile is the it is volatile means the forget. So erase the means whatever stored the data is erased. This is called the volatile. Okay, and the non-volatile means it is permanently stored. This is called the non-volatile. So see, as per your the question, here is the dash is the type of non-volatile memory used to the computer to store the data and allowing the individual bytes to be erased and reprogrammed. See the 12 number options. 12 number option is, see which is the correct answer. P RAM, EEPRAM. This is the correct answer. Number B. Question number 13. Dash is a non-volatile memory. All of you, this is very easy question. Question number 13. Read only memory. Right? Read only memory is the non-volatile memory. And RAM, random access memory, it is the volatile. Next is the you can creating a document or a spreadsheet in which the memory, the unsaved version of the file will be stored in your computer. Okay, the see there the options are there: RAM, RAM, ROM, EEPROM, and the flash memory. To see the question again, I am repeating. You can creating a document or a spreadsheet in which the memory, the unsaved the version of the file will be stored in your computer. See, the correct answer is the EEPROM, right? Means the electrical erasable random read only memory, right? And see the 15 number question. Will the processing large amount of data, your computer speed being to the dropped. This is due to the scarcity of tasks. 15 number questions. The correct answer is the RAM RAM. Here the options, four options are there. EEPROM, RAM, secondary memory, flash memory. So correct answer is the RAM. Next, the 16 number option question. Sorry, which of the following is a non-volatile storage media in which data can be accessed in any order? Okay, see there is the options are there. Option is optical discs, hard disks, magnetic tab, both A and B. So 16 number is the correct answer is the magnetic tab. 17 number is the basic input and output system. BIOS is a type of the firmware used during the booting program on a computer. It is the first software which run when the power on. It is usually stored in dash. It is usually stored in dash. So usually stored in the which one is the correct answer? See the number one ROM. Second one is the cache, SD RAM. Fourth one is the hard disk. So here is the correct answer is the ROM. ROM is the correct answer. Next you see the 18 number question. Correct answer is the ROM. Okay. Which of the following is are the rewritable DVDs in which data can be recorded and erased many times? Okay. Which of the following is are rewritable DVDs in which data can be recorded and erased many times? Options are DVD RW, DVD RW plus. First one is the DVD minus RW, second one is the DVD plus RW, third one is the DVD RAM, and all of this. See, here is the questions are, again I am repeating, which of the following is are rewritable DVDs? Because that in a market there are the two types of DVDs available. One is the rewritable and one is the non-rewritable. So, and here is the question is which of the following is or are rewritable DVDs in which data can be recorded and erased many times. To see DVD, it is correct. DVD plus RW, it is also correct. DVD minus RAM, it is also correct. So see the correct answer is all of these. These all are the DVDs which one used to data store the recorded and the erased many times. The next is the 19 number question. CPRM technology is associated with the SD card standard. What does CPRM stand for? CPRM stand for. There the four options are there. Number one is the copy protections for the rewritable media. Second one is the copywriting the protections for the recordable media.
And the C number is the content protections for the recordable media, and the last one is the copy pro- protections for the recording the museums. Okay, so correct answer is the number C. Number C is the correct answer. C stand for content and P stand for protections and the R stand for the recordable and M for stand for the media. C is the correct answer. See the 20 number question. Inside its chip, each memory hold one bit of information and is made up of two parts, a transistor and the capacitor. It is used as a main memory in the personal computer. Dynamic RAM, static RAM, graphics RAM, HDD RAM. These all are the random access. These all are the memories are there. And see again the questions is very important question. It is which one means the inside the chip. You know the chip is there in your computer. Each memory hold one bit of the information. One bit. You know smallest unit. Okay, and is made up of two parts. The one is the transistor and the capacitor. It is used as a main memory. Okay, the main memory in the personal computer. The options are the dynamic RAM, static RAM, graphics and HDD. The correct answer is the dynamic RAM. Now come to the second part, achiever sections. Okay, now the 21 number question. Question number 21. Select the incorrect match. Okay, here the four options are there. You select the correct one. First one is the CD. Related of the CD it is here. And the second one is the memory statics. And the fourth one is the Blu-ray discs. And last one is the see the last one is the DVD. Right? To see the CD, it is the optical discs that contain audio, video, or the software data. And the next is the number B is the memory statics. It is the removable flash memory card format used as a storage media for the portable devices. And the Blu-ray discs, this is the category of the DVD. It is a high capacity optical disc for the recording high definition video. And the last one is the DVD. It is a flash format disc used to store the small amount of data. So you see here is the which one is the incorrect match. So you all of you know they are the CD and DVD. CD stand for the compact disc. First, you all of you know CD stand for the compact disc. But you see here is the option is the CD. It is the optical disc. First, this is the compact disc, and DVD stand for digital virtual disc, format disc. So both is correct, A or D. You choose any one, right? A or D. Next, 22nd number question. Optical discs are the ideal storage media. They are the most useful for reading the large block of sequential data. Such data can be the both audio or video data. They can do this due to the compact size and the lightweight, absence of the mechanical read or write head. And the third one is the presence of the single spiritual task. When the reading or writing data, there is a no need to stop the follow of the data to search the tracks. And the last one is the less or loss per bit of the storage. And see the here is the question number 22nd number question. Optical discs are the ideal. The storage the media. They are the most useful for reading the large block or the sequential data. And such data can be the both audio or the video data. Suppose the data are audio or video, but here is the ideal of the storage media. Okay, the reading the large block of sequential data. Okay, so here you see the options are there. The four options are there as usual. But the correct answer you see the number C, the presence of the single spiritual track. When the reading or writing data, there is a no need to stop the follow the data to switch track, right? Next you see the 23rd number question. Here is the what does the PCMCIA stand for? Portable card memory for the computer, the International Association. Second one is the Personal Computer Multimedia Card International Association. Personal Computer Memory Card International Association. And the last one is the Personal Card Memory of the Computer Internal Association. See the four options are there. The correct answer is the C, the third one, the PCMCIA. The full form is the Personal Computer Memory Card International Association. Next is the 24th number question. This is the second last question from chapter 2. Identify the following. Okay, it is the type of memory on which data has been pre-recorded. One data has been written into it. It cannot be removed and can only be read. It is extensively used in calculator. And see here the four options are there. RAM, ROM, hard disk, flash drive. Okay, four options are there. So see the identify, there is the one paragraph is there. See there two paragraph is there. So you identify RAM, ROM, hard disk or flash drive. So the correct answer is that second number 24th number is the correct answer is a ROM. It is the type of memory on which data has been the pre-recorded. One data has been the written into it. It cannot be removed and can be read, right? Random access memory, you all of you know, it is non-volatile memory, right? So it is RAM, ROM, second number ROM, and it is extensively used for the calculators also. The last number, today's last number question is the what is the cache memory? You know, cache memory. Okay, the cache memory, the amount of the total memory available on your computer. Second one is a squirrel access based storage device. Secondary storage device. Third one, a type of RAM where all the temporary file on your computer are stored. And the last one, a temporary memory that keeps the certain data available for the quick reference. So here the correct answer is the number D, because the cache memory is the memory with a temporary memory that keeps the certain data, all the data in quick reference. Okay. So now the chapter 2 is the completed memory and storage device. I hope you all of you understood. So all of you go through it. Okay. Thank you all of you.